In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable interface buttons to trigger automations. We'll set up a clean, clickable button inside an Airtable interface and configure it so pressing the button can kick off an automation through a URL-based action. If you already have an automation endpoint or a URL pattern ready, great. If not, you'll still learn how to prepare the button so it's ready when your automation is. Start by opening Airtable and signing in. Head to the base and interface where you want the button to live. This keeps everything in context so users can act on the exact record they're viewing. Open your interface and look for the plus icon to add a new element. This is where you choose what kind of component you want to place. In the element picker, type button into the search field. Select the button element to add it to your layout. Airtable will drop it onto the canvas and open its configuration panel on the right. Give your button a clear, action-oriented label so users know exactly what it does. For example, trigger automation, send for approval, or start sync are short and obvious. Keep it specific to the workflow to reduce guesswork. Choose a style that fits your interface. You can adjust color, size, and sometimes an icon. Use a prominent color for primary actions and a more neutral style for secondary ones. Consistent styling helps users spot what matters most. Next, choose what the button should do. For triggering automations via a link, select the action that opens a URL. This lets you construct a dynamic link that can call an automation webhook or route through a URL your automation listens to. The advantage is you can pass along details about the current record. In the URL formula field, build a formula that includes the destination URL and any parameters your automation expects. It's common to include the record's ID or key fields so the automation knows which record to act on. Keep parameters concise and, if needed, encode values to handle spaces or special characters. If you'd rather not write the formula from scratch, you can use the Create formula with AI option. Describe what you want, such as opening a specific endpoint and appending the current record's identifier as a parameter. Provide a short, precise prompt so the result is easy to review. When the draft looks right, click. Create formula to insert it into the button's settings. Review the preview to confirm it resolves as expected. Then click Create to finalize the button. That's it. Your interface now includes a button designed to trigger an automation through a URL, ready for your team to use confidently.